Hi everyone, this is Belle, and today I'm going to be drawing a girl with a long braid with my eyes closed. So here I go. Okay, I'm finished with the drawing. Now I'm going to open my eyes. I'm really scared. Oh my god. Okay, so that was pretty bad. Wow, that was very scary. It did really not come out really good. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. And also, this video was made for Grace Ryan, my bestie. See you guys later, and bye. See you next time.